Hi everybody, voice is still messed up. This is the next day. I got this anchored and we ran into a little bit of a problem. I think I showed you the kind of bolts or the kind of things we're using. Concrete anchors. Get one out of here. And this little piece here, when you start to tighten the nut up, it threads out. You notice these are missing those. What happened is when they punch the holes at the factory, and I'm going to let them know this, is their die must be getting dull because it left, well, it dented before it cut the metal. It left a little round disc still attached, so that plugged the hole a couple times, caught that, and because the hole was so small, these are 5/8 inch bolts, because the hole was so small, it caught that. It didn't do it on the other side, as far as I know, but on this side, two of them right off the bat did that. They came apart. So what I ended up doing was took a ride to Ace Hardware, bought a step bit, and reamed out both of those holes on either side so that it would, the bolt would go right down through. Hey, did that. We drilled all the holes in the concrete first, blew them out, made the holes in the metal bigger, dropped it in place. Easy peasy. Took longer to drive to Ace Hardware and buy the thing than it did to actually do it. So we started sorting this mess out as to what goes where, and this is the first. This is actually the last one that's going to go up. It'll be the one that's on the front, and then I got to put the rest of it in. But it's got like a little over 9-foot piece here. It's got these nice angles I got to add on to give the overhang for the gutters. There's a 10-foot piece here, then there's the peak, and the same on the other side. And this is the first one. I've got to drive 4 screws in each one to get them all nice and tight. The stakes are so that it makes it easier for me to copy this. And tomorrow, bright and early, when it's still cool out, it hit over 90 here today. We get up at like 6 o'clock in the morning again, and while it's in the 50s, and put this together, the next one, and that one is going to get some, well, here, it gets this, all this stuff. So we're going to find all those pieces and put that together. So we will hopefully get in a nice groove. We'll see you tomorrow. So I'll see you then. Okay, next day. Yesterday we spent the day building components. So these are the main rafter. They got some end plates on, lots and lots of screws. Fritz had finished up these the other day. Then he pre-set up the peaks, and now that long piece, that rafter, goes in here. So I'm going to attach that. Then you got a ridge support, and then these angles come down and attach. So it's basically, yesterday was components, and today is start knocking these the whatever you want to call them, uprights, roof rafters, all in one piece, heavy things. And so this support comes down to here, that one gets attached, it goes up to here, there's a little one that goes over there. So lots of things to do. Okay, so I told you I'd come back when we were doing the rest of this. This is the crew. Fritz, you all know Jax, the lovely Anna. But now all of the main uprights, I rented a Skyjack for the heavy lifting, and that was a godsend.
Also major OSHA violations.
No, OSHA doesn't hold sway in Arizona. So now, tomorrow, or later tonight, if I get some energy, I'll start putting in the hat channels up at the top. Always still got the skylift. I've got that till tomorrow, but yeah, all of the framework is up. Sorry I didn't film it. I got real busy, and I had to rent the lift for another day, or actually 2, to get all that roof stuff up. So next step is sheet metal on the walls, and we'll get to that on the next video.